Hey guys, it's me, Sunday, Funday AM 2010. I'm just gonna make an update on my bike after it got stolen. So I'm gonna start off with the front, finish off with the back. I got ODI long neck grips, ODI buttons, pretty good grips. You should buy them, they last very long. I got stock Sunday bars, scratched to hell. Now I'm brakeless, so it's a change to me. Premium sub 10 stem, Sunday funday frame, integrated headset, stock headset, stock forks, stock Alex rim in front. I got a odyssey white tire, bullet valve caps. I got a stock Norton Deviant 09 pivotal seat with a seat post, which, well, my friend needed a seat, so we traded. Sunday seat clamp, always riding Odyssey twisted PC pedals, gonna probably change with Odyssey GC PC pedals. Stock 3-piece cranks, pretty good cranks, I don't know. I got 25 tooth sprocket, 9 tooth in the back, Yaban half-link chain. I'm riding an Alienation 440 red and blue. It's actually off of a Norco Red 2010. It's Ben Kaufman's wheel. He lent it to me, and I got a Odyssey Path K-Light tire. So that's about it. Tomorrow I'm gonna start an edit, and I hope you like my bike check.